Hey everybody, what's going on? Magic here. So you want to add text-to-speech to your channel using channel points. You just want to go to this channel points underscore TTS. Run over here, you type in exclamation point TTS register. Now, one important thing is you do either have to be an affiliate or a partner in order to get this going. But yeah, that's just the requirements for channel points as of now. You link it, you're good to go. It says you can use TTS help on your channel. If you ever, want to look over some commands and things like that, you can do so. It doesn't really tell you too much, honestly. I mean, if we type it in here real quick, it just says kind of what the bot does and how you can look over which voices are available. Now, to get it set up, most importantly, you're going to have to set up a reward. So you go into your rewards, click these three dots, hit manage rewards, and you click manage rewards again. And so here is where you'll set up your text to speech. I've already got mine here, but how it would work is you'd come down here, click add new custom reward. You can really call it whatever you want. To the best of my knowledge, I just called mine text to speech. So you do that, text to speech, enter how much you want it to cost. You can set up an icon if you got one there, do that. Make sure, another important thing here is you check require viewer to enter text. That's pretty much it. Hit create. I'm just going to X out of this. And so then you navigate back to your channel. You got the channel reward now. Mine looks like this. Feels amazing, man, on there. And so click on it. And this is where you type exclamation point TTS link.
Mark TTS link.
Yeah, so you do that there. The reason why it played is because I've already got mine linked in OBS over here. Now it's linked, so then at this point, anybody, that's using this bot could put your text-to-speech on their channel, technically. There's a few other things you can do, like TTS stats, TTS settings. It's kind of a small bot, just 157 streamers, 14 partners, 143 affiliates. So it's relatively new as far as I know. If you want to set it up to where it's just for subs, you can do that as well. Exclamation point TTS settings and then sub, and then you would just set it to true, right? Updating successful, except I just kind of let, as of now, everyone use it on my channel here. Now, people that aren't subs would still be able to see the reward, like be able to see text to speech, but when they redeem it, it wouldn't work. So there is that. They would just kind of be wasting their points. But you got some options here. Max message time, the default voice, everything will play in, volume, which is nice. And that's really it. Now, this link here, you're going to take this link and then you would navigate over to OBS. So in OBS here, click on the plus and yeah. Hit browser. Now, if you're on Streamlabs OBS, then it's relatively the same deal. But yeah, browser, then you hit OK, and then this is where you would put the link. And one important thing is you do want to check the shutdown source when not visible. That's it. Then you'd press OK. I've already got mine, so I'm going to discard it. Now, if at any point you want to temporarily disable it, let's say there's somebody that keeps trying to troll your text-to-speech. You've timed them out. They've got some buddies coming in, just as a scenario here, and you want to turn it off temporarily. You can do that, of course, by just going under Manage Rewards. Once it loads up, go under Manage here, and then you'd basically just toggle this off. For moderation, though, just in general, let's say there's somebody that's joining in. Maybe you got exclamation point TTS in your title, and they're like, okay, want to look for streams to troll with TTS. The best things as of now that you can do, there isn't really any mod settings built into it, but there is one important command, TTS Skip. Beautiful thing. If you've got a stream deck, you can set it up to where press the button, it'll type it for you. You can do that if you've got a stream deck, or any of your mods can type exclamation point TTS skip, and it works. In general, for specific words, you want to blacklist them and take them out. I would recommend either Streamlabs or Stream Elements. Either one works perfectly fine. If you go on Streamlabs, click on CloudBot. Under CloudBot, the only thing you're going to need is word protection. And that's it. You can set that up, configure it how you like. If you've never used Streamlabs before, as it says, yeah, just make sure you mod Streamlabs. That way it can kind of do its thing. These messages that are being sent with text-to-speech are actual chat messages. So you'll be able to see them if you go back in VODs, highlights, and things like that. So that's pretty nice. Anything you blacklist in general for word protection on either Stream Elements or Streamlabs, it's going to pick it up. So no worries there. And that's it as of now. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to drop a comment, or you can check out my Twitch channel, maybe live. So if you got a quick question, it might be faster that way. Much appreciated. See you all later.